So most newly trained closers struggle to find and land a quality sales role because they don't know where to look and they don't know where to find these sales opportunities. Again, what you guys were trained and taught was, hey, go join these Facebook groups and they might give you a list and network. How has that worked out for you? How has that worked out for the rest of the marketplace? So people that are within your own personal network that you have gone through sales training with, that have done role plays with, how has that served you? That is the number one question. That is the number one concern. How has that served you to this point? And typically it hasn't served most of you guys well. So when it comes to finding and landing a quality sales role, like where to look and how to find them, again, a lot of details here, but that's kind of, I'm not gonna say it's my secret sauce, but it's kind of my secret sauce. So as you come into the high ticket sales space, you graduate, the first thing that we need to do immediately is have this pipeline. And so within our program, within our step-by-step system and our process to help you land a sales job within 30 days, this is something that we give to you immediately. We show you exactly where to look, right? Within Facebook groups, within, hey, there's sales recruiting agencies, and there are other platforms and other social media platforms that you guys should be leveraging. So if you're hanging out on Facebook group, you're never going to make it. You're going to find yourself basically connecting with scams, multi-level marketing, or life insurance. That's not why we're here. And that's 65% of the opportunities that you guys are seeing within the Facebook groups. Okay. So there are very specific places that you guys should be looking and, being able to establish your network and your, these different pipelines. But not only that, once you guys have an idea as to, SDR, Sales Pro, and these keywords, keyword searches are super important. You have to remember that, whether it's on YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram, right? You got your hashtags, you've got keyword searches that, hey, if you know what you guys are looking for, the keyword searches are huge because it's part of like SEO. If you type in the right information, it's going to give you very specific feedback based on your keywords that you're typing in. And so it's super important that you guys know where to look and how to find them through keyword searches. And again, networking with the right people, knowing who the recruiters are, knowing, the very specific Facebook groups and all the other platforms. It's super important. These are important details that will help you find and land a quality sales opportunity. And so again, most of your sales training, training programs that you guys have invested in, they really don't go into these details. They don't go into the specifics. They just simply say, hey, go join Facebook groups and network. It doesn't work. I promise you.